Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To remove all of the settings for the currently selected tool and set the tool back to its default settings, select the desired tool to reset from the toolbox. Click the Options button at the far right end of the Tool Options bar, and then select the Reset Tool command from the drop-down menu that appears. You can also reset all of your tools in this same way by selecting the Reset All Tools command instead of the Reset Tool command and then selecting the OK button when prompted. Be careful if you use this function, as you will lose any changes you have made to your brushes and other tools. If you loaded a custom brush library and would like to reset the brush library choices back to their defaults, click the Brush Preset Picker pop-up panel in the Tool Options bar. Then click the Brush Options button in the upper right corner of the pop-up panel that appears. Then select the Reset Brushes command from the drop-down menu to reset the brush library back to its default choices.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.